Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Elementor to WordPress. First, understand that Elementor is a powerful plugin that transforms your WordPress site into a visual design canvas. It lets you build stunning pages with ease, offering a wide range of design options. This tool is perfect for anyone wanting to customize their site's look without deep technical knowledge, making web design accessible and fun. To get started, log into your WordPress admin area. On the left-hand menu, find Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Website Builder. Once you see it, click the Install Now button. After installation, make sure to click Activate to fully enable the plugin on your site. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Once Elementor is active, you'll see an Edit with Elementor button when creating or editing a page or post. Click this to launch the Elementor editor. Here, you can drag and drop elements from the left sidebar onto your page. Experiment with different widgets, adjust their settings, and see your design come to life in real time. It's a highly visual and interactive way to build your site. Beyond the free version, Elementor Pro unlocks even more powerful features, including a full theme builder, custom forms, and dynamic content options. You can also leverage Elementor's extensive library of templates and kits to kickstart your designs and save valuable time. These resources provide professional layouts that you can customize to fit your brand perfectly. For more details and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.